Hi, this is Disha Patni and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Now, you're also having a big film in Kung Fu Yoga with Jackie Chan. Tell us something about it, because you also mentioned that apparently Jackie Chan doesn't take any holidays. He's never taken a
never.
vacation in his life, and he's working on 2-3 films simultaneously.
4 films, I think, in a year.
Yeah. So, how's the experience of working someone like him?
I learned so much. I think one of the best thing I've ever done in my life, and something I'll always cherish and remember. Something that I'm really proud of. He's someone who is an example of how you have to be in life. Sure. He doesn't take life seriously, but at the same time, he's just doing something all the time, you know. He knows what he wants to do. He's like, he must be 60 something right now, and still he's so passionate about work. He wants to work every day. He doesn't want to take vacations. And at the same time, you know, he has this small team called Jackie Chan team, and he has like, he treats them like their babies, you know. He nourishes them. He's someone who's very, who's amazing. He loves to help people. He loves to make everyone smile, and I think this is something that I've learned from him, and I would never forget, because reaching this height and wherever he stands right now, and be this person whom you feel is so friendly and so grounded, I think it's very difficult to maintain something like that. And he's still doing it this stage where he's just won Oscar he won some Oscar, I think, Lifetime Achievement Award, some Oscar.
Okay.
So yeah, I think he's an example of what you have to be if you become a star, I think.
Great, and you're also heavily into sports, I believe.
I love sports.
I think you like to do taekwondo, I believe, and
no, I've never done that. I play basketball. I'm doing gymnastics. I learn a little bit of kicking and action. Never taekwondo. I wanted to do, but didn't get a chance.
Basketball, I believe you like to do basketball.
Yeah, I was a state level player.
Basketball player.
Yeah.
Okay. So how does it help you in terms of just staying motivated? Because I think sports is something that
sports, it's more competitive. It gives you that drive that you have to win.
Right.
What I can learn from sport would be that never give up. You know, you can still win. Even if you don't win, it gives you that attitude where you don't win, or if you're working on some project, or if you're working on something, if it doesn't happen, it's okay. Right. You have different chances. You have many other chances actually, and you can still make it through. So I think that's something that keeps me motivated, and never give up.
Right. What about dancing? You mentioned that I think hip hop is one's dance style that is closest to your heart.
Closest to my heart. I like Bollywood also.
You like Bollywood as well?
Yeah.
Okay. So how this entire in fact fascination for dancing started in the first place?
My sister was an amazing dancer. My sister has been my idol since I was young, and she's someone who used to be an amazing dancer, and I was the shy one, so I always used to watch her dancing. And somewhere she inspired me to, you know, get out of my closet and, you know, come out and just start doing something that I like and start enjoying. So in a way, when I started enjoying, I started dancing. And she used to be my choreographer at that point, because she used to choreograph like dances for us, and I used to be the boy, she used to be the girl at that point.
Okay.
And yeah, from that point we started dancing. We used to dance in front of the mirror. Same, we used to like learn steps from YouTube or from the DVDs or Bollywood songs.
Correct.
And from then I used to, that was the only thing I used to do, because I didn't have friends, nothing else to do in life. So yeah, what to do? Dance.
Great. Used to make now you have friends.
Yeah, few, just few.
Yeah,
still few. It's okay.